Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly extract text using delimiters in Power BI, specifically in Power Query. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to break apart names and emails into separate pieces, something you'll find super handy for cleaning and analyzing data. Whether you're brand new to Power BI or just want to brush up on your skills, this is a really practical technique that will save you a ton of time. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need some data to work with for our demo. In Power BI Desktop, head over to the Home tab and click Enter Data. A small window pops up. Just paste in a table with 3 columns. ID, full name, and email. For example, you could use IDs like 1, 2, and 3 with names such as John Doe, Mary Ann Smith, and Peter Johnson Jr., and a few email addresses like johndoe@example.com. Once you're done, hit OK, and Power BI will load this demo table for you. Simple as that. Don't stress if your data looks a little different. This method works on any list with similar patterns. Now let's move on to actually extracting text. Our first real step is opening Power Query. From the Power BI Desktop, look for the Home tab again and click Transform Data. This opens up the Power Query editor, which is basically your toolkit for cleaning and reshaping your data. Think of it as a kitchen where you prep all your ingredients before cooking. You want everything tidy and ready to use. Let's start with a common case, pulling out first names from a full name. Find the full name column in your table and select it by clicking on the column header. Next, at the top of the Power Query window, go to Split Column, then choose by Delimiter. Here, where the magic happens. Select Space as your delimiter. A delimiter is just a character or symbol that separates different parts of a text string, in this case, spaces between first and last names. Now, under the Split options, select at the leftmost delimiter. What this does is it snips off everything before the first space, giving you just the first name in a new column. Click OK and you'll see a fresh column with only the first names. This can be incredibly useful, especially if you ever need to address people personally or group data by first names. Next up, let's do something similar with email addresses. Select the email column, go back up to Split Column, and again choose by Delimiter. This time type @ as your delimiter since the @ symbol separates the username from the domain in every email address. Instead of splitting at the left, we want the part after the @ so choose at the rightmost delimiter. Hit OK, and now you've got another new column, this one with just the email domains like example.com or company.org. This is really handy if you ever want to see which companies people are emailing from or group your contacts by domain. With just a couple of quick steps, you've learned how to use delimiters to dissect your data in Power BI. From splitting first and last names to separating email domains, these techniques are essential building blocks for any kind of data cleanup or analysis. If one step takes a few extra moments, don't worry, Power Query is processing all your data behind the scenes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other Power BI features you want to see. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical Power BI tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.